Hey, what's up, guys? Uh, hey, like I said before, uh, sorry, I'm filming it from my computer, so it's probably not going to be the best, but it'll do for now. Anyway, let's go find match and go to move. By the way, I'm Master Sergeant 222, and um, I know I'm kind of waiting for players. If you look up this guy named Dalier on YouTube, he does have he has an Xbox, but of course Xbox got the moon map before us. Right now, yeah, I'll do moon. Anyway, wait for people to show up. Come on! Six.
Who are you talking to?
I'm doing YouTube.
Huh?
I'm doing YouTube. Anyway. Bye.
Don't be putting a lot of things on YouTube. You'll be sorry.
I'm just putting gameplay of.
Well, nobody wants to just listen to you talk.
Okay, I guess I'm not doing that. So, dude. Just enjoy the show. How much they're putting. You know what? Since that is not working, and I don't think it ever will, see you later.